Hello guys, and this video is an introduction video. So aren't you excited in ranking your website or your business on number 1 page and on number 1 rank? So I know that you and me, everyone would want to do that, but eventually you would have been ranking your websites, but you would have been ranking by paying to SEO experts. So they do SEO and then your website would rank on number 1. So I don't want you to do that kind of thing. You can do by yourself. You just learn how to do it. It will take some time, but Rome was not built in a day. So it will take some time, but eventually you will rank, you will know how to rank your websites and your business, and you can offer your services to freelancer websites and etc., which we will tell you in this course. And we will tell you, we won't guarantee you that you will be means you can just rank your website in just 1 day or 2 day, but we can guarantee you one thing, that after completing this whole course you would be happy and you will learn various things. So keep one thing in mind, that you must have a paper and a pen so that you are making notes of each and everything. Now comes the most interesting part, that is we are offering so many free ebooks which are of $20, $30. Some ebooks are of $49, but these ebooks we are offering completely free with this course. As well as we are also offering so many study materials and interesting exercises which you would be happy to do. Now here comes the change. We are offering something that no other people in the course offer. That is, the people in the courses, I have browsed various courses and various YouTube videos, and I have seen one thing, that is these people always go for and tell you to just go and pay for a similar, pay for a website, and they show you that we are also paying $49 a month or $50 a month or even $97 a month for this website for doing keyword research. But in this video tutorial I am going to tell you all those websites which are offering free services. You even don't register in that website, but then also you can take all those things which a person who has registered can take. The thing is that, simple thing is that each and everything taught in this video is completely free. So you don't have to pay, you have to only pay for the course. And that is one thing, that if you want to do anything, you must pay the price. So if you are excited, then just grab this opportunity and buy the course exactly at the same time after watching this video completely. So we have offered some of the free videos. You can just go browse in here. One thing you must keep in mind, and that is, if you are if you are an enthusiastic student in SEO, then only you must buy this course. Because I have seen various people who just buy this course and they leave it after completing only 1 to 2 videos, and they think that, oh I must, and they start dreaming that, oh I must become a SEO expert without doing any work. But that is not possible. You have to do each and everything. So after taking this course, I hope that you complete this course and give a good feedback, or any feedback which you want to give on this course, and to guide me that what are the problems you faced, and you can answer any of the questions, and you would get 24/7 instructor support. I would be supporting you. And in the next video I'm going to tell you that why you must listen to me, and who am I, and what I have done, and why am I teaching you this course in Udemy.